Hello everyone, welcome to another midweek technical look, and today we're going to have a look at Bitcoin, gold prices and oil, that they have some interesting movements. So starting from Bitcoin, we can see that it's currently recovering some of its losses that it posted in the preceding weeks, surpassing the 200-day SMA, and is currently challenging the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of the up leg back in August of 2024 until the record high at 86,100. Also, the price is finding strong support near the 20-day SMA, and if there is a closing session above the Fibonacci level, then the direct resistance is coming from this downtrend line in the short term and the 90,500 resistance level. Also here we have a bearish crossover within the upper Bollinger Band and the 50-day SMA around the 91,500 ahead of the 23.6% Fibonacci at the 94,500. So any movements above these obstacles here, then it may switch the outlook back to a more positive one, but to have a bullish outlook in the long-term view, we have to wait a closing session above the record peak. Now, on the other hand, a move beneath the SMAs and also a move below the 81.250 level, then it will find strong support near the 50% Fibo at 79,140, which also lies near the lower Bollinger Band. Even lower, a challenge of the return line of this descending channel and the 61.8% Fibo at 72,167, it will be another tough support level. Now, looking at the technical oscillators, the RSI is holding slightly beneath the 50 level, but the MACD is holding above its trigger line, but is still below the zero area. Now, turning to gold prices, we can see that it posted a new all-time high today around the 3,057 level, and the next resistance is coming from the 261.8% Fibonacci extension at 3,200 of this down leg here, the peak back in October until the lows in the mid of November. So there is a lot of room to cover until this resistance, and also traders need to be cautious near the next round number of 3,100. Now, on the flip side, if there is a bearish day today, then the market, it may retest the 3,000 psychological mark and even lower the 2956 the support level, which is also near the 161.8% Fibonacci at 2945, near the 20-day SMA and the previous this inside swing highs at 2930, which is still standing near this steep short-term uptrend line. Now, a move beneath this uptrend line, then it may create some more declines until the 2880, the 50-day SMA at 2860, and even lower the 2830. But the outlook will remain positive in the long-term view as long as the price is holding above the long-term uptrend line and well above the 200-day SMA. Now, looking at the technical oscillators, we have some mixed signs here. The RSI is turning lower in the 70 level, suggesting that we may see some bearish corrections. However, the MACD is still extending its positive momentum above its trigger and zero lines. And now, having a look at oil prices, that we have some interesting movements here in the preceding weeks, as they posted an almost 2-year low at 65.36, but is currently recovering somewhat, but it is also finds strong resistance near the 23.6% Fibonacci of this down leg from 80.59 to 65.36 at 68.90. Where is also a crossover within this short-term descending trend line and this medium-term uptrend line near this area here. So if there is a move above these resistance levels, the market it may move towards the 71.50 resistance, the 50-day SMA at 71.84, even higher the 200-day SMA at 73.40. But to have a positive movement and bullish outlook, we have to wait to see a break above the 6-month high of 80.59. Now, if this bearish movement continues and the price remains within this descending channel, the next support levels are coming from 65.70, 65.36, and the Aprils of 2023 low at 63.60. The MACD oscillator is holding above its trigger line, and this weakening is a negative momentum. It is maybe approaching the zero area, suggesting that we may see some more gains in the next few sessions. Also, the RSI is pointing upwards below the 50 area, and the crossover above it will confirm a bullish movement. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.